यूनिट 15 नो एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस। ठीक है, इसमें क्या क्या है? इंट्रोडक्शन नो एसक्यूएल, टाइप्स ऑफ नो एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस। ठीक है, नो एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस। So NoSQL database introduction. Relational database and data warehouse are sometimes slower for highly scalable web application. NoSQL database emerged to support rapid development of scalable web-based application. NoSQL database emerged to support a rapid development of scalable web-based application. They are widely used today in application with features like Google style search, online analytical, and mobile use. Definition: NoSQL stands for not only SQL, sometimes interpreted in NoSQL. It is a type of database that does not use relational database to store data. NoSQL can handle various types of data: key value pair, document, columnar data, graphs, multimedia files, external files, etc. Supports multiple data model and flexible schemes. Designed for high performance, scalability, and ease of development. Does not follow the strict structure. Use case: social media platform store user profile, post, and connection as document on graphs. E-commerce site store product catalog and user session using key value, document value. NoSQL database feature: schema flexibility, can handle dynamic and unstructured data without a fixed scheme, and horizontal scaling, can scale easily by adding more servers instead of upgrading hardware. Fast query responsive data models allow quick retrieval of information. Developer friendly, easier to use software developer compared to rigid RDBMS. Difference between RDBMS and NoSQL. RDBMS relational table or oriented, non-relational schemas, fixed, static, dynamic and flexible data स्ट्रक्चर रहता है, स्ट्रक्चर और अनस्ट्रक्चर रहता है, वर्टिकली हॉरिजॉन्टल है, एसक्यूएल बेस्ड मॉडल स्पेसिफिक क्वेरीज, MySQL Oracle PostgreSQL. Key point: SQL database scale by upgrading a single server, while NoSQL scales by distributing load across multiple servers. Types of NoSQL database: column based, graph based, key value pair, document based. Column based database की वैल्यू वेस्ट. ठीक है, सो नो एसक्यूएल वह फिर से देखते हैं. रिलेशनल डेटाबेस आर and data warehouse are sometimes slower than highly scalable web application. NoSQL database merged to support rapid development for scalable web-based application. NoSQL stands for not only SQL, sometimes interpreted as non-SQL. It is a type of database that does not use relational tables to store data. NoSQL can handle various types of data: key value pair, documents, columnar data, graphs, multimedia files, external files, etc. and supports multiple data models and flexible schemes. Designed for high performance, scalability and ease of development. NoSQL का फीचर क्या है? स्कीमा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, हॉरिजॉन्टल स्केलिंग, फास्ट क्वेरी रिस्पॉन्सेज, डेवलपर फ्रेंडली. ठीक है, नाउ types of NoSQL database. Column based, store data in column instead of rows, good for analysis and large data set. Graph based, store data as nodes and edges, good for social network relationship and network data. Key value, each item is stored as a key with a value. Simplest form, very fast for lookups. Document based, store document as sets of key value pair, flexible and good for semi-structured data. Column based database. Definition: data is stored column wise rather than row wise. Purpose: faster queries and efficient storage for analysis. analytics. Example, these are some example. How it works: reads only the column needed, saving memory. Column of the same type of can be compressed for faster access. Aggregation is faster than in row-based DBs. Advantages: high storage efficiency due to comparison, fast aggregation queries, quick load times, even its used dataset. Flexible new columns can be added without affecting the whole table. Excellent for analysis, for reporting. Advantages: creating efficient index is hard, incremental updates are slow, security features are limited in NoSQL, not suitable for OLTP transaction heavy application. Are column database always NoSQL? Not always. Column store database are not purely NoSQL. Why? They share some feature with SQL, like key spaces acting as schemas and sometimes adhere to ACID and SQL standard. ठीक है. Column based dataset का definition: store data into graph structure, nodes, as attribute instead of table and document. Best for representing relationship, Twitter, Blockbuster, Amazon. However, nodes represent actual data, represent relationship between nodes. How to use graphs database: how many relationship, friends and friends. Relationship focused data: when the connection between items is more important than the item themselves. Low latency for large data. Handles complex relationship faster than relational database. Graph database: store data as nodes and edges. Uses ideal for network social relationship, fraud detection, data centers. How it works: not actual data, relationship between nodes. Uses handles many to many relationship easily. Focus on connections between data, fast queries even with complex network. Key value database. Store data as key value pair where a key is unique and mapped to a value. Think of it like an array and map. Advantages: scalable, fast, simple to move. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे है इसका Amazon's DynamoDB widely used, AirSpike in memory storage, Breakly high performance, simple, cost based SQL like queries, Memcache RAM based cache, React app development friendly, Redis memory caches and message broker, document based database. डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड डेटाबेस में क्या बोल रहा है? स्टोर्स डेटा इन स्ट्रक्चर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ टेबल, मोस्टली कॉमनली यूज JSON, XML, PDF फॉर्मेट. ये सारा है. हाउ इट वर्क: स्टोर मेनी काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, नो नीड ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट रिलेशन, टेबल CRUD एप्लीकेशन, यूनिक ID, एक्सेस द एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट डायरेक्टली. You when to use data is not structured. Okay, when to use data is not structured in the row and column. Frequent reads and writes with quick access. Application need flexible schema, suitable for e-commerce, blogging, CMS, analytical platform. Advantages: schemas less, no strict structure needed, fast document creation, open formats like JSON, XML, built-in visionary built-in visionary handles changes and complexity effectively. Good for application where schemas may change. Disadvantages में देख लेते हैं. Weak atomicity, multi-document ACID transaction for are not supported. limited consistency checks, hard to enforce relational like constants, security concerns, vulnerable if not properly configured. For example, MongoDB MongoDB JSON based popular it is own query language or elastic search, document search and indexing. Limited consistency, hard to enforce, relational like constant, security concerns, vulnerable if not probably confused. Examples: MongoDB JSON based popular its own query language, Elasticsearch document search and indexing. CouchDB use JavaScript and with the Facebook. BaseX XML based Java open source.